students. In the previous class, we were discussing about the reissue of shares at par and discount. As you know, when shares are reissued at par, there is no difficulties because the shares reissued at the same price of its face value. So we'll be receiving the same price. And when the shares are reissued at discount, that discount amount, that discount portion is to be collected from the previous share forfeited account. So a share cannot be issued at discount at a price, or that discount should not exceed the amount which earlier received as for a share forfeited. I mean, the discount amount should not be more than what there in that share forfeited account. Now the reissue of shares at premium. As you know, the premium means when the shares are issued at a price higher than its face value. So in that case, journal entry will be bank account debtor to share capital to security premium. Bank account debtor, debit all the amount received on reissue, and to share capital, the amount is to be credited to share capital is the exact amount paid up by the person on these shares except security premium, and the premium will be credited to the account called security premium account. So the journal entry will become as bank account debtor to share capital to security premium. So let's explain this case with an example. See, a company forfeited 200 shares of rupees 10 on which application 3 allotment 3 are received. The shares are failed. The shareholder failed to pay balance call monies. Company reissued the shares for rupees 12. Show the journal entry. So here the company forfeited these 200 shares because of non-payment of call monies. The balance call money will become as 4. 3 on application, 3 on allotments become 6, and the balance rupees 4. So this shareholder didn't pay the balance for on call money. The company decided to forfeit the shares. So first, let's just forfeit the share. So on the forfeiture, we'll debit the share capital account. Share capital account debtor to share forfeiture account to share call, unpaid call. So share capital account debtor total called up. Total called up will become as 200 into 10. And to share forfeiture account, amount paid on these shares. Total he paid call money and application money. So 3 plus 3 will become as 6. So you might have paid 1200. Total paid amount will be credited to forfeiture account, and unpaid value 4 rupees of call money. So 4 into 200. 800. Now the forfeiture have done. So the narration will be 200 shares forfeited. Now we have completed the forfeiture case. Next, the company reissued these shares for rupees 12. So whenever the reissue will receive the cash, bank account debtor to share capital. This is the entry on reissue. So bank account debtor, how much will receive? 200 shares are reissued at rupees 12. The amount will come as 2,400. And to share capital, how much? 200 into actual value of the share. Actual value of the share is become 10 rupees. The face value of the share is 10 rupees. Then this extra 400 received is in the form of premium. That amount is to be credited to an account called security premium account. Security premium account rupees 400. 2 into 2,000, 400. So now we have reissued the shares at a premium. So narration, 200 shares a premium of rupees 2. 200 shares were for reissued at a premium of rupees 2. Now we have completed the entry on the reissue. Then what next? Always keep in mind that whenever a reissue is made, if there is any balance in share forfeit account, which should be transferred to an account called capital reserve. So the balance in share forfeiture will be transferred to an account called capital reserve. So balance in share forfeiture account. Share forfeiture account data to capital reserve account. So the balance in share forfeiture account is 1200. 1200 is to be transferred to share forfeiture, share capital reserve account. So balance in forfeiture account transferred. So now we have completed the case. The shares have been reissued at premium and the balance in share forfeiture account have been transferred to capital reserve. Or don't forget this entry of transferring balance in forfeiture. At every time it will not be mentioned in the question, but you have to do the same with even if it is not mentioned. So every time whenever you complete a reissue, if there is any balance remaining forfeiture account should be transferred to the capital reserve account. As you know, if when the shares are reissued at discount, that discount amount will be collected from or will be adjusted toward this forfeiture, right? Then after collecting that discount or after adjusting this discount, the balance will be transferred to share capital reserve. So now we have completed the three cases of reissue: reissue at premium, reissue at discount, and reissue at par. Then you guys just open your textbook in financial accounting books and see the page number 105, example 3. There are some wide variety of examples regarding this reissue. There are 6 cases and the answer also is there. So just go through the question and learn how they have done these 6 cases. Okay. Okay, thank you. Meet you next class.